The Indian Premier League is undoubtedly India's richest sports competition and currently world's third most expensive sport property after NBA and English Premier League. The league has continued to grow since its debut year of 2008 despite being beset with few controversies. In 2016, television viewing figures crossed 100 millions, making it one of the most viewed games of the world. In 2011 edition of IPL, there was a worry that 6-week-long World Cup would affect average fans' appetite for cricket. However, the opening game of that IPL saw the highest television ratings. TV rating went from 6.9 in 2010 to 7.7 in 2011. As many as 55 million people watched that game. In this video, we will find how IPL became cash-rich league in the world. Cricket was originated in southeast England in 16th century. It was limited to two formats, Test and ODI cricket, till 2003. Then England Cricket Board introduced new shorter format and named as T20 cricket. In a shorter time, T20 became the most lucrative form of cricket, particularly in India, where huge crowds attend matches in IPL and millions more watch on television. All credit goes to Lalit Modi for starting IPL, that brought revolution in the world of cricket. IPL model was based on likes of NBA and English Premier League that ensures all teams to play against each other. IPL is a huge booster for Indian economy. According to BCCI, the IPL contributed $182 million to Indian economy in 2015. In 2014, when first 20 matches of the season were played in UAE due to general elections in India, the IPL contributed 275 million UAE dirhams to boost UAE economy. Another country that benefited from IPL is South Africa. Back in 2009, total of 22,000 rooms and more than 10,000 flights were booked and millions were spent on ticket. So it is clear that IPL's contribution to country's economy goes way beyond than ticket sales. In India, cricket and Bollywood are two main entertainment industries, and IPL combines India's love for cricket and movies. Some fans also called it as cricketainment, as 3-hour IPL match provides same entertainment as any Bollywood movie. This is the reason that most of Hindi cinemas prefer screening 3-hour cricket match than a Bollywood movie in IPL season. Now, Bollywood influence on cricket is not limited to India, as superstar Shah Rukh Khan is turning Knight Rider franchise into a global brand. He recently invested into USA-based major cricket league and acquired Los Angeles franchise. With this investment, Knight Rider Group has 4 teams on a global scale. Apart from Kolkata and Los Angeles franchises, others are Tinbago Knight Riders in Caribbean Premier League and Cape Town Knight Riders in South Africa Global T20 League. IPL brand value is now 22% less than what it was before the COVID-19 outbreak. Currently, it stands at $4.4 billion. But from the beginning, there is consistent increase in brand value that shows its increasing demand and popularity. In 2018, teams spent total $94 million to buy 169 players in auction, up from $40 million for 66 players in 2017. IPL is a huge moneymaker in India since 2014. This is because IPL has one single largest fan base for a single sports league in India. During opening week of 2019 season, IPL broke records when 283 million viewers tuned in to watch, and by last week of season, total 462 million fans watched 2019 IPL season, which is 12% up from 2018 season. The ad revenue generated from that season was over $300 million. High ratings and ad dollars were a big part of why major media companies had their eyes on IPL broadcasting rights. When IPL launched in 2008, the league issued rights to Singapore-based sports marketing agency, World Sports Group. They broadcasted IPL matches on India's Sony Max TV channel. Under the terms for 10 years, World Sport Group paid $1 million per match in its first year. The overall value of that broadcasting deal was $980 million. When broadcasting deal expired in 2017, there was global bidding for exclusive rights for IPL. Fox, Sony, and Facebook were in competition for media rights. Those TV and digital rights went to American broadcaster for 5 years in $2.55 billion deal. The price for match jumped from $1 million to $8.1 million per match. For comparison, NFL cost per match is around $22.5 million and English Premier League is around $13.2 million and NBA closes to $2 million. Since 2008, IPL naming rights have changed hands 4 times, from brands DLF to PepsiCo India, Vivo, and finally came to Dream 11 that paid $29 million for 1-year deal. Hence, we have seen how IPL has changed direction of global cricket and how it became a global brand in cricket world. It has a potential to beat the biggest league of world such as NFL and EPL.